Hey guys, it's Marianne. I hope you're well. Let's make a garlic infusion today. This is very powerful, very potent, not only in smell, but in effect. It's going to help you fight colds and flus and coughs and things like that. By all means, if you're on medication, please ask your doctor, and absolutely do not stop taking antibiotics and things if you are already taking them. Garlic is a natural antibiotic. It's an antiviral, it's an antifungal, an antiparasitic. So this works as an extra help when you're sick. Let's make. I have a whole head of garlic here. As you can see, I peeled it. I'm just gonna chop it, and then we're gonna let it sit here for about 15 minutes to allow the sulfuric compounds, the sulfurous compounds to develop, okay? All right, we're going to transfer our chopped garlic to a small pot. I'm going to cover it with water. We're going to bring this to a very soft simmer and turn it off. As soon as your water starts to boil, I want you to turn it off. The water starting to bubble, I'm going to turn it off. I am going to cover this and I'm going to let it steep until tomorrow. Our garlic infused all night. Wow, that is very strong. We're going to strain it. And we're going to put this in a little jar in the refrigerator. And you can take it 3 times a day, half a teaspoon with your meals, and throw it out in 3 days, okay?